Hello and welcome to the course on the MidJourney AI. In this particular course, we are going to be learning everything about the MidJourney generative AI, using which we can provide a text prompt, and using that it will be generating a image output with the help of it. It is also known as text to image. And using this technology, we can create stunning looking images that looks from the real world. And these images will be created with the help of an AI model that has been trained on tons and tons of images. So, my name is Arwaz Khan and I will be your instructor throughout this course. In this course, we are going to be learning everything about MidJourney from a very basics to an advanced level. I will be showing you a step-by-step process of how you can start learning about MidJourney and use it to create stunning looking images, as well as how we can use it to produce different kinds of output by providing different parameters as well as different options that are available with this particular MidJourney AI. So if you are interested in learning about the MidJourney AI, so what are you waiting for? Click on that enroll button and get started with the course. I'm waiting for you inside the course. So in this video, we will discuss about different subscription plans that are available for MidJourney. So if you are interested in using MidJourney in your work, so you can just upgrade to a paid plan instead of the free, because the free plan only allows us to create up to 25 free images with the help of MidJourney. So over here, you can see there are different plans that are available. So you can see it is available in yearly billing as well as monthly. And for monthly, you can see the basic plan starts at $10, which allows us to create up to 200 images a month. We get access to the member gallery, we get optional credit top-ups, and we get 3 concurrent fast jobs with the basic plan of MidJourney. After that, we have the standard plan with $30 a month, which provides us with 15 hours of fast generation content, unlimited relaxed generations, general commercial terms, access to member gallery, optional credit top-ups, and 3 concurrent fast jobs. So the most value for money plan over here is the standard plan, because in the basic plan, we only get 200 minutes or we can say 200 images, but we can generate up to 15 hours of content or to create up to 15 hours of images, and it is a fast generation. And this will be a slow generation for basic plan. And over here we also have a pro plan, which provides us with 30 hours of fast generation, unlimited relaxed generations, general commercial terms, access to member gallery, optional credit top-ups, strength image generation, and we can create up to 12 concurrent fast jobs. So you can see the pro plans allow us to create up to 12 concurrent jobs at the same time. But the standard and basic plan only allows us to have 3 concurrent jobs at a time. So if you are just getting started with MidJourney, in that case, I will suggest you to go with the basic plan. And after that, if you feel that you want to upgrade, you can just do the optional credit top-ups by just upgrading to the standard plan if you feel that it is very useful for you. And over here, you can just go through frequently asked questions related to these different plans that are available. And also, if you just click on yearly billing, in that case, you can see. So if you go with the yearly plans, you can see the basic plan starts at $8 a month. If you go with the yearly billing, so you just need to pay the amount one time, which will be this amount, which is $8 into 12. And you can see the standard plan will be $24 a month, and the pro plan will be $48 a month if you make the yearly billing. So you can see we get all the same features over here, but the yearly pricing is low as compared to the monthly pricing. So you can just compare them, and if you feel you want to upgrade, then you can just go with the yearly billing. If you want to use it on your daily basis, it totally depends on your usage of how much you are going to be using the MidJourney to create different prompts and creating different AI art. So my suggestion will be, if you're getting started, go with the basic plan, and after that you can upgrade to the standard plan. So you can go through the frequently asked questions over here. You can see what are fast hours and things like that, what is unlimited relaxed generations. You can also see what if I want more fast and things like that. What is the community gallery? And over here you can see different things related to it. So can I cancel my subscription plan? And you can see you are free to cancel your subscription plan at any time, but the cancellation will be effective at the end of the billing cycle. If you change your mind, you can uncancel your plan before the end of the cycle. And you can also see, can I change my subscription plan? So you can see you are free to change your subscription plan at any time. effectively immediately. Any remaining usage or time will be credited to your new plan. So you can see if you are using the $10 basic plan and you plan to upgrade to the $30 plan, in that case you will be directly upgraded to this, and the remaining credits from this will be also credited to your standard plan. So this is how you can like purchase and get the premium subscription to the MidJourney bot. So for this, you just need to sign in with your Discord account on the MidJourney. So what I did was I just got over here on MidJourney, and over here we just clicked on sign in, and it redirected us to the Discord authentication. From there we just authenticated our account and we got access to this particular page. So over here you can see the home as well, and you can click on manage sub, where you will get access to this particular page for subscribing to the monthly plan of this MidJourney bot. So this is how you can get access to the premium subscription of MidJourney. So I think that was it for this particular video on getting the premium subscription of MidJourney. So without further ado, let's move to the next video of our course. So in this video, we will create our first AI generated art with the help of MidJourney bot. So for that, first of all, we just need to join the Discord server of MidJourney as we have seen in our previous video. And after that, we just need to come over here where we can see newcomers room. You can see there are different rooms that are available over here for newbies. So you can see newbie 4, newbie 34. So if you're watching this video in the future, you will be able to access this newcomers room, but the numbers might change for you. So just avoid that, and you can go to any newbie room from here. So if I just go to this particular one, and we can just click on this, jump to the present, and it will bring us to the latest art that a MidJourney bot is generating. And over here, we can just provide our particular prompt that we want to create. So in this video, we will create our first AI generated art. So for creating that art, what we need to do is we just need to click over here where we have this message box, and over there we just need to provide a slash. And after that, you will be able to see that there are different options that are available over here. You can see daily theme, and there are different commands that we can provide to this MidJourney bot, and it can answer to different questions for us. So you can see there are private, public, relax, settings, show, subscribe, and things like that. So you can just go through it and see what all features or what all options it offers us. So for creating a AI art, what we need to do is we just need to provide a slash and type here imagine. So this is a command that is available in the MidJourney bot, using which we can make the MidJourney bot imagine something. So we will type here slash imagine, and in here we just need to provide our prompt or a sentence describing the image that we want to create. So in this example, we are going to be creating an image of a cat wearing a specs. So I will type here a cat wearing specs and using a laptop. And after typing this, we will just hit enter and provide this particular prompt to MidJourney bot. And over here, you can see it is asking us to accept the terms and service of the MidJourney bot. So the first time you provide this particular command to MidJourney, it will not generate the image for us. Instead of this, it will provide us with this particular pop-up which says accept the terms of service. So we just need to click on accept. And after that, it will be able to generate the art after accepting the rules and the terms of service. So after this, we will just type here slash, and we will again do imagine. And after that, I will just try to paste the prompt over here, which says, so our prompt is a cat wearing a specs and using a laptop. So we'll just provide this particular prompt to MidJourney bot, and now it will try to create this AI art for us. You can see a cat is wearing specs and using a laptop. So you can see over here, it is showing the status, waiting to start. And now you can see it has started working on it. And you can see it is trying to generate different art. And it will generate around 4 versions of this particular prompt. So you can see now it has generated 62%. And you can see it is generating it in the fast mode. And after that, you can see the prompt got disappeared. And we just need to scroll down and find our prompt. So you can see here is our prompt. So you can see here is the output that it has generated. So you can see here is a cat, a realistic cat. You can see that are in front of a laptop and they are trying to use the laptop. So you can see here is the output that it has generated for us, and you can see how realistic this picture looks like and how it has generated the output for us by just providing a simple prompt. We didn't give it much details related to what should be the cat like and things like that. And you can see it has generated a really good version of the prompt that we have provided it as an input. So this is the output that we get by providing that particular input or prompt to MidJourney AI. So over here, if we click on open in browser, so it will be open in browser in full length, and you can see here are the different images that it has generated. So if you want to save that, you can just right click and click on save image as, and you can save it in your local system. So I will just try to save it over here, and after that we can just close this, and after that we will just click over here. You can see there are different options that are available over here that says U1, U2, U3, U4, and also V1, V2, V3, V4. So these are different options that we can use to generate multiple variations as well as upscaling the image. So the U1, U2, U3 and U4 are used to upscale the image, and by upscaling the image, it will convert this particular image that is at U1. For U1, this is the corresponding image. For U2, this is the image. For U3, this is the image. And for U4, this is the particular image. So if we just click on that, it will upscale the image and create a 1024 by 1024 pixel image version of that particular image, and it will upscale that particular image that we want to select. So let's try upscaling the U4 image. So if I just click on U4, so it will try to upscale that. So now after providing that, it will just try to work on this. So if we just try to scroll down a little bit, so we will be easily able to find out where is the cat being upscaled. So you can see here is our job that is in process. Upscaling image with a cat wearing specs, and it is our U4 and it is still waiting to start. So we can just wait until this particular image is upscaled. So we can just go back over here and we can also create multiple versions of it. So if we just scroll back and just find out where is our generated image, so you can see our generated image is in highlighted form. So whatever we generate, we get it in an highlighted form. So you can easily identify the image that you have generated. And over here, you can see that there are different options for V1, V2, V3, V4. So if we click on this, if I click on V4, so it will generate 4 different variations of that particular image for us. So let's try this with the first version. So I want 4 different versions of this particular image, that is the V1. Creating variation will generate 4 new images similar in overall style and composition to the image you selected. So we have selected this particular image and it will generate 4 different variations for that. So let's see if our art is generated or not. So if we just scroll down and try to find out where is our task. So over here you can see it has upscaled our previous image. So you can see a cat wearing a specs using a laptop. So if we just click on that, now you can see the image is more clear and it is now of 1024 by 1024 pixels, and we can just click on save and we can save it inside our folder wherever we want. So after this, we can just scroll down and see the variations as well. So you can see a cat wearing a specs, and here are the 4 different variations that it has created for us of that particular image and style. You can see now here are the different versions of it. And I think I like the 3rd version. So we can just click on U3 and it will just upscale that particular image for us. So if we just scroll down, and there we can see that it is trying to upscale the image for us and it is waiting to start. So it might take few seconds to generate the AI generated art in the newbie room for you. So because there are a lot of people who are trying to generate different art for them. So there are thousands and lakhs of people who are generating art with the help of this MidJourney bot. So it might take few minutes or few seconds to generate the art for you. So till then we can just scroll up a little bit and we can also see what people are trying to generate with the help of this MidJourney bot. So someone is trying to create a blockchain software development agency, and they are generating this particular art for their agency. And this is a very good web design, you can see. And someone is also trying to create a design for Nike shoes, you can see over here. And this person has generated this particular website design with the help of MidJourney. So you can just get inspiration from different people who are generating different art in this particular newbie room. So let's see if our art is generated. So I think it has generated the upscale version of that particular image for us. So you can see here is the upscale version of the image that it has generated for us with the help of the MidJourney bot. So this is how we can use the MidJourney bot to generate different images for us. And we can just click on save image and it will just try to save the image for us. And you can see still we get different options over here: light upscale redo, beta upscale redo, and we can also make multiple variation of this particular image as well. So this is how we can use the MidJourney bot to generate different AI art for us. This was a simple example to get you started with the MidJourney bot. In the further videos, we will take a look at multiple use cases of MidJourney bot and how to use it. So that was it for the video. Without further ado, let's move to the next video of our course. So in this particular video, we will try to add the MidJourney bot to our own server. So we are going to be creating our own Discord server where we are going to be adding this MidJourney bot into our own server. So over here, you can see the problem is that when we are trying to generate image, so in previous images, you can see that a lot of people in the server are trying to generate different images of their own. And because of that, our image is getting mixed up with other images that people are generating over here. The images that we are generating are getting highlighted, and because tons and tons of people are generating different arts over here, so easily our AI art can get lost in this amount of images. So if I just scroll up, and you can see the first prompt that we have provided to this MidJourney bot. So over here, you can see here is a prompt that we have provided to the MidJourney bot at first, and you can see the different outputs that it has generated for us. But there are a lot of clutter over here. A lot of people are generating their own AI art by providing the prompt to MidJourney bot. So this is creating a mess over here, and we are not able to identify our own art that we are creating. So to overcome this, we are going to be creating our own server and adding the MidJourney bot to it. So over here, you can see the upscale image that it has created for us by providing the input, and you can see there is a lot of clutter in between, and different people are creating AI art using it. And you can also see that there are 62 new AI arts that people have generated in a span of a minute or so. So to overcome this, we are going to be adding the MidJourney bot to our own server. So for creating our own server, what we need to do is we just need to click on this add a server, and after that we will click on create my own, and we will click on for me and my friends, and we are going to be naming it as AI art server. So we will just keep it by default, click on create, and after that it will create the server for us. And you can see it is introducing app dictionary, search, browse, explore thousands of apps, customize, personalize your server, automate useful tasks and free up your time, add fun and delight to your community. So we can just click on check it out. So it will just take us to this particular page. So if you are interested, you can just go through it, and we can just click on this thing, and you can see here is a Discord server that we have created for us, and there are different text-based channels that are available. You can see general channel, and there are also voice-based channels that are available. So if you want, you can create a new channel over here, and we're going to be naming it as MidJourney AI art, and we'll just create this particular channel over here, which is going to be a text-based channel. And after that, we're going to be adding the MidJourney bot into our Discord server. So you can see over here, if we go to the MidJourney, and over here you can see that there is MidJourney bot that is creating the AI art for us. So we're going to be adding it inside our own server. So after that, we just need to add the MidJourney bot into our server. So for that, we will just click on this show the member list. And after that, we can see over here the MidJourney bot is available. We will just click on it, and it will give us a button where we can add it to a server. So we will just click on add to server, and it will ask us to add it to our own server. So we will just click over here, and we will select our server that we have created, And after that, we will just click on continue. And over here, you can see it is asking for different permissions. So we will allow it all this permission and click on authorize. So over here, you can see that there is an error. You need to verify your email address in order to add this bot to a server. So we can see that we have created this account directly and we have not signed up to Discord and we have not added our email address. So what we need to do is we need to create an account on Discord, and over there we just need to sign up with our email address, and after that we just need to verify our account by just doing an email verification. And after that we just need to join the MidJourney server again, follow the entire steps that we did previously, and we just need a verified Discord account for adding this to our server. So what I will do is I will just switch to my personal account and show you the further steps. So if you have not created your Discord account, you can just create that and follow all the steps, and after that you will be good to go with the MidJourney bot. So let me switch to my personal account and show you the further steps for adding it to our server. So now I have set up all the things in our server. So you can see we have created the AI art server, and after that we have also created the MidJourney art text channel for us. So this is how we just need to set up all the things. We just need to follow all the previous steps, and after that we just need to go to the MidJourney, and over here we just need to go to any of the newcomers room, and after that we just need to click on this show member list, and over here we will get the MidJourney bot. We just need to click on it and click on add to server. So it will try to authenticate, and we just need to select our server, that is AI Arts server. So you can name anything to this particular server. It depends on you. So after that, we will just click on continue. We will allow it all these permissions. We will click on authorize, and it will ask us to do a human verification. We just need to do a verification for this. So I will just try to add and fill this particular captcha. And after verifying, it will show us this screen for authorize, and the MidJourney bot will be added to our own server. So if we just click on our own server, so over here you can see the MidJourney bot is being added into our server, and the other member is me. So this is how we can add the MidJourney bot into our own server. So after this, we can just go to the MidJourney AI art channel, and over there we can just add a slash. We get all the options that we were able to use on the MidJourney server, and we will be able to use it in our own server, and we have created a separate channel for this. So over here what we can do is we can just provide a slash, and we can tell it to imagine something, and in here we're going to be providing a prompt. So we will tell it to imagine a cat wearing specs and using a smartphone instead of laptop, smartphone. And what I will do is I will just try to copy this particular prompt from here. So once we are done with this, we will hit enter, and we will provide this particular prompt to the MidJourney bot. And now you can see in the output, it is asking us to accept the terms of service for this particular MidJourney bot. So we will just click on accept. And after accepting that, you can see we will get this particular output over here. And once we are done with this, we can just click on imagine, and we can provide the same prompt over here. And if we hit enter, so it will give us the output. So let's wait for it to create or generate the AI output. So you can see over here, it is showing the status as well, waiting to start. So it might take few seconds to generate the art for us. So you can see now it has started the process of generating the AI art. You can see now it has generated the art 31%. And now you can see the image is pretty different from the previous one. So when we give it a prompt to create an cat using a laptop, it was totally different cats over there, and now you can see it has generated a different version of that. And you can see here is the art it has generated for us. So over here we can just click on open in browser, and it will open this inside a browser window, and we can just click on save image, and we can save it inside our folder on our local computer. So once we are done with that, we can just go back, and over here you can see it is now generating all the art inside our personal server for us. So there are no other members who are in our particular server, and we can easily use the MidJourney bot over here. So we have created our own personal server for MidJourney bot, and we are able to access all the features of MidJourney, and there are no any clutters of other users over here. So we can also use other commands such as, let's say we want to upscale a particular image. So I want to upscale the U4 over here. And you can see it has started upscaling the particular image for us, as well as I want to create a different version of this particular image, that is V3. So you will just click on that and it has started all these jobs for us. You can see the status of the jobs. Over here, we can also cancel the job if you want. So if you don't want this particular one, or by mistakenly you have clicked on a certain image and you want to perform the operation on some other image, so you can just cancel the job and switch to some other image as well. So now you can see it has generated 4 different versions of this particular image for us. You can see here are the 4 different versions of the image. And let's see if it is working on the upscaling as well. So you can see it is still waiting for the upscale one. So let's wait for it to complete this particular upscaling of that image. So you can also see that we are also getting notification about that it has generated the AI art. And in our server, we are also getting notification that the MidJourney bot has completed the upscaling of the image for us. So this is how we can add the MidJourney bot into our own Discord server, and we can use the MidJourney bot personally on our own server, and we can create multiple variations of this image over here as well. And we are getting all the features and functionalities that we get in the MidJourney Discord server. So if we just go over here, click on open in browser, so you can see here is the image that it has generated, which is of 1024 by 1024 pixels. You can just click on save, and we can just save this particular image onto our system. So this is how we can add the MidJourney bot to our own Discord server. So I think you got all the steps to add the MidJourney bot into your own server. So if you have any doubts or issues regarding it, you can let me know in the Q&A section of the course. I will definitely try to help you out with that and answer your queries related to it. So that was it for this particular video on adding the MidJourney bot to our own Discord server. So without further ado, let's move to the next video of our course. In the previous video, we have set up the MidJourney bot into our own Discord server, and we are able to access it in our own server. So now let's see how we can change different settings of the MidJourney bot, and we can get the most out of it. So for that, first of all, we just need to provide a command. So I will do /settings, and if we just click on the settings, so if we just provide this as an input, so you can see here are different settings that are available, and you can adjust your settings over here. So if you want to make any changes to the settings of MidJourney bot, you just need to provide a /settings input, and over here you can see adjust your settings. You can see MidJourney version 1, 2, 3, and 4. We are currently using the MidJourney version 4. You can see MidJourney test. We are using the base quality. You can also use the high quality as well. So right now we are using the base quality. Over here you can see style is medium. Right now we can set it according to our taste. We can just make changes over here. You can see regular upscaling, light upscaling, beta upscaling is available. Right now we are going to be setting all these things to default. You can also see there is a public mode, private mode. The private mode is only available if you switch to the paid plan. After that, there is also the relax mode over here, fast mode, and also there is an option to remix mode. So we are going to be selecting this particular remix, and we are going to be enabling this. So using it, it will just give us a pop-up where we can change the prompt that we are providing to a particular image. So let's say we want to create a different version of a particular image. In that case, it will show us a pop-up where we can change the prompt, or we can modify the prompt, and we can get a appropriate result according to our taste. So this is how we can change different settings into MidJourney. You can select any of the setting that we want. So if you want to get high quality images, you can just select high quality. Also, there is a style option as well. So if you want style to be very high, you can just select that. If you want to make upscaling like a beta upscale or light upscale, you can just change the settings according to your need. So right now we are going to be keeping all the settings by default, and we are going to be moving further, and we have only enabled the remix mode right now. So let me show you what it does when we add the remix mode. So let me just try to create a different version of something. So let me try to create a different version of this V1. So if you just click on that, so over here you can see it is showing this pop-up which says remix prompt. So we can just remix the prompt by providing some input over here. So this form will be submitted to MidJourney bot. Do not share password or other sensitive information over here. So you just need to keep in mind that you don't add your sensitive information over here. So you can see we already have added this particular prompt which says a cat wearing a specs using a smartphone. So over here we can make multiple changes, like we can provide a aspect ratio. So by default it is going to be creating a square image which is going to be a 1:1 aspect ratio. If you want to change the aspect ratio of the image, we just need to provide hyphen AR, which stands for aspect ratio. So we can change the aspect ratio by providing like 3:2. We provide this particular aspect ratio and click on submit. So now it will try to generate an image with that particular aspect ratio, and we can also change the prompt and add further details to it. So right now we are only changing the aspect ratio of this particular image. So right now you can see here it is generating the output. Now you can see it is showing that the generation is 0%. Now you can see it has generated the image 71%. Let's wait for it to generate the entire image for us. So now you can see it has generated the full image. So you can see how beautiful these images are looking, and they are close to a realistic image of a cat using a phone. So over here you can see I really like the second and third one, and the fourth one is also looking great. So this is how we can generate the image and change the aspect ratio of that particular image. We can also click on open in browser, and it will open that particular image inside a browser window. So we will just click on save, and we can save it on our local system as well. So this is how we can provide different aspect ratio to an image. So if you want to change the aspect ratio of your image like 16:9 or anything else, you can do it by providing the aspect ratio, by providing this particular argument. So if you want any help related to this, you can just provide a /help in the prompt, and if we just hit enter, so it will provide us with different commands that are available over here. So you can see getting started, read the quick start guide where we get all the commands and things like that which are available. We can also visit the website. We can see these are the basic commands to create an image. Info shows the information about your profile and plan of usage. You can see subscribe, get a link to subscription page. So if we add all these commands, we can perform different operations. You can see extra option is also available. You can see parameters are optionally added to the end of the prompt. That changes how the image generates. So you can see we have added this particular parameter over here, which is for aspect ratio. So over here, if you just click on this, so it will open a page where we can see all the parameters that are available that we can add to end of an image. So you can see basic structure of how we can add different parameters. You can see width and height. If you want to add, we can just change it to different aspect ratio, which is known as AR, or you can just add the entire word aspect. If we just scroll down a little bit, you can see algorithm modification. You can change the different versions by providing hyphen version. And you can see if you want an HD image, you can just add hyphen HD. You can also modify the prompt by providing a negative prompting. So let's say you want to create a particular prompt, but you don't want certain elements to be added into it. So you can just add the hyphen no in that case. So if we just scroll down, you can see there is also a seed. So a seed number generates a random starting noise used in the beginning of the image generation. Using the same number across multiple prompts will use the same starting noise. So this is the seed that we can use. So seeds are random seeds which can sometimes help keep things more steady between generations. So for instance, you can see the same prompt run twice with no seed specified. You can see here is the output that it has generated, but after adding the seeds, we can see here is the output that it has generated. So you can also provide the command as same seed. Also, we can use the stylize command. You can just scroll down and see what all commands are available over here and what all parameters that you can provide to MidJourney bot. After this, over here, you can see direct messages is also available to the MidJourney bot. So you can directly message the MidJourney bot whatever prompt you want, and it will try to generate the output for you. Here are some other commands that we can use. You can cancel or delete a generation by reacting with a cross. So if we just provide this particular thing, so it will delete that particular generated art. You can also add an image to your favorites by reacting like star. So if we just do something like, I like this one. So if we just try to react to this particular image by clicking over here, and if I just try to type here star, and we provide this particular star, now it will be added to our favorites automatically. And after that, you can see we can get an image sent to our DMs by reacting an envelope. So if we go over here, let's say I want to get this particular image into my DM. So right here, what I will do is I will type envelope. And over here, you can see this particular envelope. If we just react to this, it will send this image to our DM. So you can see if we just click over here, you can see this is the image that it has DM'd us. So it has DM'd us all the 4 images that it has generated for us. So this is how we can use different commands like this. And let's see if there is any other command that is also available. So you can see you can add image URLs to your messages to use them as an image prompt. So let's say you already have a particular image that you want to take inspiration from. So you can use that image as well by providing the URL to that. So we will take a look at that in the next videos. So for now, I think that was it for how we can change different settings of the MidJourney bot and understanding what all features it offers and different parameters that we can pass with an image. So if you want to know more about this, you can just go through this particular page where different parameters are available. So you will get a clear idea of how to use different parameters in different cases and get the appropriate output that you need. So I think that was it for this particular video for setting up different settings of the MidJourney bot. So without further ado, let's move to the next video of our course. So in this particular video, we are going to be creating some more AI art using the MidJourney bot. So let's get started with it. So let me create a basic prompt over here. So I will just provide /imagine, and we're going to be providing a prompt such as an abstract design, abstract design, so if we just provide this particular prompt to the MidJourney bot, let's wait for it to create or generate the particular design for us. So it will take few seconds to generate this particular design. So now you can see it is started generating the design for us. And in few seconds, you can see here is the abstract design that it has generated for us. So let's wait. And over here, if we just open this, you can see how beautiful abstract design it has created and generated using the MidJourney bot. So I like the third one a lot. So let's try to make or upscale this one. So we will just do U3 and it will start upscaling this particular image for us. So let's wait. So it will take few seconds to upscale this. So now you can see it has started upscaling this particular image for us. You can see now it has completed the entire upscaling of this particular image. So here is the image output that we get. So now what we can do is we can just take this image and try to copy the link of this particular image and provide it as a prompt to MidJourney bot. So what we can do is we can do imagine. We will provide this particular URL over here. You can see this is the entire URL where this image is present. And after that, we will do add Joker in it. And if we just hit enter, so let's wait for the output that it will generate. So we are using this particular abstract design as a reference, and we are generating a Joker image into this particular abstract design. So let's wait for it to generate the output. So now it is generating the output for us. Now you can see it has completed the image generation 31%. You can see here is the output, and now it will take few seconds to generate the final output for us. And you can see here is the final output that it has generated for us. You can see the first design looks pretty cool, as well as the second one. The third one is also great, but the fourth one doesn't look good at all. So this is how we can use the MidJourney bot to take a reference of a particular image and create or get inspiration from that particular image and create output for us. So You can see here is the output that we have generated with the help of the MidJourney bot, and we have provided another image as a reference to the MidJourney bot to create a particular output, and you can see here is the output that it has generated for us. So this is how we can use the MidJourney bot and provide another image as an inspiration for generating another image. So let's try to get some other image and try providing a different prompt. So let me take this particular cat and we will just try to copy this particular link, and we are going to be providing a prompt. So once we copy the link for the image, what we will do is we will just provide a slash over here and we will do imagine, and we're going to be providing this particular link over here to this particular image that we have copied from here. And after that, we are going to be adding a cat surfing in red water river on Mars. And if we provide this particular prompt to the MidJourney bot, let's see what output it will produce. So let's wait for it to generate the output for us. So you can see it has started generating the image for us, and it will take few seconds to generate the final output. So you can see we have added input as a cat surfing in a red water river on Mars. So over here, you can see here is the final output that it has generated, and you can see there is a cat and it is wearing a specs. Also, there is a smartphone, and the atmosphere is of Mars, which is red. And you can see there is also a red water material that is present over here, and the cat is trying to surf on this particular water, and the river is also having a red water. And the entire inspiration is taken from the other image that we have provided as a prompt to MidJourney bot, and it has added the specs as well as the mobile phone and taken the inspiration from the URL that we have provided, and it is also surfing in this particular red water sea. So this is how we can provide another image to the MidJourney bot as an prompt and take inspiration from other images. So after that, let's move to some other example. After this, we will try to upload a particular image on our server and try to take it as a reference and create something. So let me just click on upload a file over here, and we will just go to downloads, and over there I think I have a image of Robert Downey Jr. So I will just try to upload this into our server, and you can see now it is processing the image. Now we have uploaded this particular image on our server, which is our Discord server. We will just try to copy the link for this particular image, and we're going to be generating an art using it. So we will just provide a slash imagine, and we're going to be providing a prompt over there. So we will just add the image link over here, and we will add over here something like create a toddler version with futuristic vibes. And we're going to be providing this particular prompt to the MidJourney bot, and let's wait for it to generate the output. So we have provided the reference image of Robert Downey Jr. and we have uploaded the image to our server, and we have provided the prompt as create a toddler version. So I think I have misspelled version over here with the futuristic vibes. So let's wait and see what output it will create. So now you can see it is trying to generate an image of Mr. Robert Downey Jr. and it is creating a toddler version of this with a futuristic vibe. So let's see what output we will get. Now you can see here is the output that it has generated. You can see a toddler version of Mr. Robert Downey Jr. with some futuristic vibes that it has generated for us. I think the second one looks pretty good, but the other ones are not that great. So this is how we can provide a reference image to the MidJourney bot, AI generated art with the help of this. So this is how we can do that. So these are the different steps that we can perform to generate AI art by taking a reference of another image. So I think that was it for this particular video on using the reference image as an input to the prompt. So without further ado, let's move to the next video of our course. So in this video of the course, we are going to be discussing about some cheat codes that we can use in the prompt, and it will create some stunning looking images for us. So using this, we can create very cool looking images with the help of these cheat codes that we are going to be learning in this particular video. So first of all, we are going to be creating art with Flash Imaging, and in here we're going to be providing the prompt. So in the prompt, we need to use a keyword or a cheat code that we are going to be learning throughout this video. So I will be sharing multiple cheat codes or keywords that we can use to create stunning looking images for you. So over here, we are going to be providing a prompt. So I will type here retro wave portrait of a cat. Let's correct the spelling over here, of a cat wearing a hoodie. And we are going to be separating it with a comma, looking into the camera. Again, we are going to be separating it with a comma. We'll add futuristic city in background. And we're going to be adding the keyword as synthwave. I will just type it over here, synthwave. So at last, we have added this keyword or the cheat code that is synthwave. So using it, it will create a really cool image for us. So let's wait for it to generate the entire image. So over here, you can see the final output has been generated for us, and you can see a cat is wearing a hoodie and looking into the camera, and there is a pink and blue vibe of a retro theme, and you can see how good it is looking. The first one and the second one looks very cool, and the last one is also very stunning image, but the third one looks a pretty odd one. So this is how we can generate and use the keyword that is synthwave and generate really cool looking retro style images with the help of MidJourney bot. So let's try to move to the next keyword over here. So I will just type over here, imagine a duotone. Using it, we can provide two different colors and we can use them into our portraits. So I will do duotone portrait. Have a wolf in the forest. And we're going to be providing two different colors. So I will do black and red. And after that, if we just provide this particular prompt to MidJourney bot, let's see what output it will produce for us. So it will take few seconds to generate this particular image. The previous image is also great. So I will just try to save that for now. So we'll just try to save it onto our system. So we'll just try to save it. And after that, let's see. Here is the output that it is generating. So you can see it has generated the output 62%, and it is creating a wolf in the forest with a red black theme. So you can see here is the final output that it has produced. So there is a wolf and the background is in red and black. And you can see how cool is this particular output. I really like the second and the fourth one. You can see here is the final output that it has generated by providing a keyword as duotone, and we can provide two different colors. Using it, it will produce or generate the output image. So we will just try to open it in the browser and try to save it. So I will just try to save it onto our system. After that, let's move to some other keyword. So over here, we are going to be adding Flash Imaging. And in this prompt, we're going to be providing the keyword as 32-bit isometric, using which we can get a 3D look of a room. So we will add here a room with futuristic computers and holograms with multiple monitors. And we're going to be adding the keyword over here that is going to be 32-bit. isometric. And after providing this keyword, we will hit enter. So it will send this particular prompt to the MidJourney bot, and it will start generating the output for us. And it will be a room with a futuristic computer and holograms with multiple monitors. And you can see it has started generating the output for us. And it is going to be giving us a 3D look of the image, where we can see it in a different angle. So you can see it has started generating the output. Now it has completed it 62%. Now it is 93% completed. And let's wait. So here is the final output that we get by providing input as 32-bit isometric. So you can see here is the output image, which give us a 3D view of a room. So you can see there are multiple monitors present over here, and I don't see any holograms that are present in this image, but you can see we are getting the appropriate output that we wanted. So you can see there is the image with a 3D look of a room with multiple monitors into it. So this is how we can generate different 3D looks of an image by providing a keyword as 32-bit isometric. We can also use the duotone keyword and the synthwave keyword. After that, let's move to some other keyword. After that, we can add another keyword over here. So I will do imagine, and the keyword we are going to be using is a diagrammatic drawing of something. So let me add a diagrammatic drawing of a wolf. And if we provide with this particular keyword, that is diagrammatic drawing of a wolf, and we provide it as an input to the MidJourney bot, let's see what output it will produce. So it will create a diagrammatic form of wolf and show us the output. So let's just wait for it to generate the final output for us. So you can see it has completed at 31%. Now it has completed at 93%. So you can see here is the final output, and you can see the output is with a wolf in a diagrammatical form. So how cool is that? So after that, we are going to be using after that, let's move to some other keyword. So I will type here imagine, and we're going to be providing the prompt with a keyword as a water sketch. So I will add here a water sketch, watercolor sketch of a cat using laptop. And if we provide this particular prompt to the MidJourney bot, let's wait and see the final output that it produced for us. So here is the image that it is trying to generate. So let's wait for it to generate the full image. It has completed it like 62%. And you can see here is the final output that it has generated for us. So you can see there is a cat sitting in front of our laptop. Okay, we got a really cool output for the fourth and the second one. The first and the third one are only image in front of our laptop where a cat is being drawn. So you can see how cool images it can generate with the help of different keywords that we can add into prompt. And with the help of these keywords, it can generate the desired output that we want. So it can generate different kinds of output like creating a water sketch and things like that. After that, we're going to be trying to create a movie poster. So I will type here, create a movie poster with a name, Hacker Club, and we're going to be separating it with a comma with hacking in the background. After that, we will just provide this as an prompt to the MidJourney. So we are going to be creating a movie poster that is going to be for a movie named Hacker Club. with hacking in the background. So let's see what output it will produce for us. So let's wait for it to produce the output. So over here you can see it has started generating the output, and you can see it's still generating the output for us. So here is the final output that it has produced for us. So you can see it has generated the image, but it has not replaced the name that we have added into the prompt. So you can see we can also generate different kinds of movie posters with the help of the MidJourney bot, and we can provide different kinds of keywords into it, and it will try to produce the output according to it. So we have already used multiple keywords such as watercolor. We have created a movie poster. We have used a diagrammatic drawing of. We can use the 32-bit isometric, so it will create this really cool looking images of a 3D environment of a room or something like that. We can also use the duotone portrait, and we can create a duotone image with the help of this. We can also use a retro portrait, or we can use the synthwave keyword. So these are all the keywords that we can use. There are a lot of them. So if possible, I will try to mention them in the PDF, and you can get access to them in the resources of this video. So you can just go there and download it. So I think that was it for this particular video for using the keywords and cheat codes that you can use with MidJourney bot to create stunning looking art with the help of it. So that was it for this particular video.
For access to future episodes of the course, click the link in the description to enroll. I'll be waiting for you inside the course.